He had been both spoiled and he'd suffered at the hand of man. Now Buck found himself with his own kind. How far he has traveled to find his home.